everyone, this is Gay Esser with RegDesk. Let's take a look at our top global regulatory updates. Our first alert is from China, where the NMPA has issued guidelines for intracranial stent retriever registration review. These guidelines provide technical review requirements for brain thrombectomy devices classified as Class 3 medical devices. The guidelines aim to standardize the registration process while ensuring device safety and efficacy. Our second alert is also from China, where the NMPA has released revised regulations on quality management for medical device manufacturing. The revised regulations will take effect on November 1, 2026. The new regulations expand requirements for quality management, verification, and validation, and contract manufacturing. Our third alert is from Korea regarding the guidelines for labeling of digital medical devices. This details labeling requirements for digital medical devices under the new Digital Medical Products Act. It provides instructions for standalone SAMD and embedded SIMD software, including electronic labeling methods, and clarifies the new rules becoming mandatory starting January 24, 2026. Our fourth alert is from South Africa, where there's a medical device reliance guideline. This is intended to provide information and outline the principles of reliance-based review for both pre-marketing and post-marketing regulatory activities and the regulation of medical devices, including IVDs. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your global regulatory updates.